Between October 2018 and March 2019, two Boeing 737 MAX planes crashed minutes after takeoff, and 346 people died, and the cause was a software system called MCAS that read from one sensor on the outside of the plane when the plane had two of them. So when one sensor failed, MCAS pushed the nose down over and over when the pilots tried to pull it up. And so here's what actually happened, right? Boeing puts bigger engines on the 737 MAX, mounted further forward and higher on the wing, and that changed how the plane behaved at a high angle of attack. And so to keep the handling similar to the old 737, so airlines wouldn't have to pay for new pilot training, Boeing added MCAS, and it nudged the stabilizer down automatically when the angle of attack sensor said the nose was too high. And on Lion Air 610 and Ethiopian 302, the sensor was sending bad data. The MCAS fired, the pilots fought it, but both planes ended up going down. And aerospace safety is built on the assumption that any one sensor can fail. Redundancy is the rule, but MCAS broke that in three different ways. It only read one of the two sensors, it had enough authority to overpower the pilots if it kept firing, and the pilots weren't even told MCAS existed because the certification depended on the MAX being treated as the same airframe as the old 737. So they're fighting a system that they didn't even know was there. And the fix after the 20-month grounding was obvious. Read both sensors and require them agree, and then cap the authority and train the pilots. All of it was just standard practice that the industry had already learned.